Using positron emission tomography imaging, it is possible to accurately measure the amount of radioactivity in an organ or region of interest or in a tumor. Thus, it is possible to compare radio tracer uptake between different patients or in a longitudinal study. The most common measure of radio tracer uptake in an organ or tissue or in a tumor is the standardized uptake value SUV. The SUV is mathematically equal to tracer activity in the tumor per unit mass divided by the amount of injected activity per unit body mass. In other words, it is a fraction of the administered radiopharmaceutical taken up by the tumor at the time of measurement. If the measurement is to be of clinical value, it must not only reflect the metabolic or other activities of the tumor, but the tracer must have reached a steady state of concentration by the time of measurement. For tumors other than the brain, a number of studies have indicated that a steady state may not be reached until several half-lives of the radionuclide, making such a measurement impractical. In some books, you may find SUV defined as the ratio of tumor uptake in kilobecquerel per ml divided by the injected activity in kilobecquerel normalized by the dilution volume in ml at the time of imaging. The SUV has also been referred to as a differential absorption ratio and the differential uptake ratio, but defined in the exactly same manner. SUV is a dimensionless quantity. Body composition and habitus of the patient, length of uptake period, plasma glucose level, recovery coefficient and partial volume effect are the variables which affect SUV measurement. Therefore, the way these variables were treated during the measurement of SUV should be included and discussed in the research publications. In order to reduce the bias and uncertainty in the measurement of SUV, different terms such as SUV mean, SUV max, and SUV peak have been introduced. I will discuss these terms in detail in the next video. Thank you.